Drafts are one of the most common comfort complaints homeowners experience, especially near older or poorly installed windows. Even small air leaks can make rooms feel chilly, uneven, or uncomfortable throughout the day. For homeowners in Rowlett, Bow Windows offer both beauty and performance, but only when they are installed correctly. Proper installation plays a crucial role in how well Bow Windows reduce drafts and support a comfortable indoor environment. Wide drafts often start around windows. Drafts typically occur when there are gaps between the window frame and the surrounding wall, or when the window itself doesn't seal tightly. Over time, settling, wear, or improper installation can allow outside air to move freely indoors. Because Bow Windows extend outward and involve multiple panels, precision during installation is especially important. When installed properly, Bow Windows create a solid, well-sealed barrier that helps keep indoor air where it belongs. The importance of a precise fit. Bow windows require exact measurements and careful alignment. Unlike standard flat windows, they include multiple connected sections that must work together as a single unit. If even one section is slightly misaligned, air gaps can develop. For Rowlett homeowners, a precise fit ensures the window sits securely within the opening. This tight fit is the foundation for draft reduction and long-term comfort. Proper sealing makes all the difference. Sealing is one of the most critical steps in bow window installation. Professional installation includes sealing around the entire perimeter of the window to prevent air infiltration. When done correctly, this sealing blocks outdoor air from entering through small gaps or seams. Rowlett homeowners often notice a significant reduction in drafts once bow windows are installed with proper sealing techniques. Multi-panel design and draft control. Bow windows are made up of several glass panels arranged in a gentle curve. Each panel must be sealed and supported correctly to maintain performance. Proper installation ensures that every panel contributes to draft reduction rather than becoming a weak point. For Rowlett homes, this means consistent comfort across the entire window area, not just in one section of the room. Improved comfort near window areas. Drafts often make areas near windows uncomfortable, limiting how homeowners use the space. Seating areas, reading nooks, or dining spaces near drafty windows can feel unpleasant. When bow windows are installed properly, these drafts are minimized or eliminated. Rowlett homeowners can comfortably enjoy the added space created by the bow window without feeling cold or exposed to outside air. Supporting stable indoor temperatures. Drafts don't just cause discomfort, they also affect temperature consistency throughout the home. Cold air entering through windows can create uneven temperatures from room to room. Properly installed bow windows help maintain stable indoor conditions by preventing unwanted air movement. For Rowlett homeowners, this means rooms feel more balanced and comfortable throughout the day. Long-term performance depends on installation quality. Even high-quality windows can underperform if installation is rushed or incomplete. Bow windows are an investment, and proper installation protects that investment by ensuring the window performs as intended over time. Rowlett homeowners benefit from bow windows that continue reducing drafts year after year without frequent adjustments or repairs. Enhanced comfort without sacrificing style. One of the biggest advantages of bow windows is that they enhance comfort without sacrificing visual appeal. When installed correctly, they combine expansive views and natural light with reliable insulation. For Rowlett homes, this means enjoying the elegance of bow windows without dealing with cold spots or uncomfortable air movement. A smart approach to draft reduction. Reducing drafts isn't just about choosing the right window, it's about installing it the right way. Bow windows offer excellent potential for comfort, but that potential is only realized with careful, professional installation. For homeowners in Rowlett, properly installed bow windows provide a beautiful and effective solution for reducing drafts, improving comfort, and creating a more enjoyable living space throughout the home.